This lesson is on function notation and how do you graph functions for a given value of x. So if we have an equation, f of x is equal to 2x minus 7 for the values of x is 2, 3, 5, and 6. I'm simply going to place the 2, 3, 5, and 6 into the table. I'm going to go and fill in an equation to the left without the x value, but an open set of parentheses. This will let me have a 2 times something minus 7. And I'm going to substitute the given x value in its corresponding position into its equation. So that 2 times 2 is 4, minus 7 is negative 3. And 2 times 3 is 6, minus 7 is negative 1. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 7 is 3. And 2 times 6 is 12, minus 7 is 5. Now that we have x and y, or f of x values, we can graph them. 2 comma negative 3, 3 comma negative 1, 5 comma 3, and 6 comma 5. We can go back using a straight edge here, which is just a post-it note, to connect all of these with a line. I prefer to always label my lines. So at the top, I wrote that f of x is equal to 2x minus 7. This is a visual representation of the equation and all of its solution. In the example, f of x is equal to 2x minus 7 for f of x is equal to 11. Remember that f of x is fancy ways to write y. So I'm going to take the equation 2x minus 7 is equal to and substitute the value of 11 in place of f of x. Now all I have to do is my 4 steps from before to solving equations. 2x minus 7 is 11. I'm going to add 7 to both sides, giving me 2x is 18. That was the addition property of equality. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, giving me x is 9 using the division property of equality. Again, it's always important to go back, substitute your answer into the original equation to see that it is true. If I was given a different option like f of x is equal to 2x minus 7 and f of x is equal to 13, I'm going to do the same thing as I did in the previous example. I'm going to take 2x minus 7 is equal to, and I'm going to replace that f of x with the 13 that's been now provided. Because remember, f of x is equal to 13 is the same as y is equal to 13. So we use the substitution property, giving us 2x minus 7 is equal to 13. I'm now going to add 7 to both sides, which will give me 2x is equal to 20 because of the addition property of equality, and divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 10 from the division property of equality. I'm going to go back and check that answer in its original equation to see that my solution is indeed correct. So we need to remember that function notation, or f of x, is the same as little f of x, or g of q, or some other letter combination. If this video has been helpful, please like or share. And if you have any questions or comments, they go below.